here, roughly. So we'll see. It's a bit colder than we thought.
Yeah.
Dennis is wearing shorts. We'll see how long he lasts.
Look at this! It's kind of cold. Hello everyone, so we went for a hike, a bit difficult, but it's fun and so beautiful. We're trying to get up there. How are you guys?
Just waiting for you to catch up, Dennis.
I can stop, don't worry. You alright, John?
Yeah, good. We were just doing a very British thing, which is moaning about the weather that's possibly coming our way.
Oh yeah, British moan and about the weather. I've heard about it. I've read about it. You like this place?
Yeah, it looks good.
Steep,
The waterfall's looking, yeah, I'm liking the waterfall. It's a new place, so it looks really good. Just hopefully the weather holds.
Oh yeah.
So tired. That's beautiful.
Very beautiful, but tired. Yeah.
Yeah.
See them.
Yeah, me too. You're doing a good job, Nick. We can do it. Whew, we are almost on the top, but not there yet. It's kind of difficult. We are tired, but we are continuing our hike. The hike goes on, and we believe we can make it. Look at these guys. Such a champ! Come on! You alright?
Surely. Do you think the kind of shape looks like it is?
I'm not the best.
You're not the best. I'm not confident. Might be Inglebert. I might be wrong. Many things. I'm just thinking for the size of the group. So that's the biggest point in the Howgills.
Yeah.
And it's just so it kind of makes sense while we're here to do that. Well, hopefully we might sort of follow the top path around and then come back onto where we were. But
okay.
You feeling good?
Yeah.
There's the hunters anyway.
You know, John, when I post videos with you, people from Ukraine say, "Is it Ed Sheeran?" Ed Sheeran. And I say, "Yeah, Ed Sheeran repented and came to our church to play worship." You really look like him.
You reckon?
Yeah. Many people say.
Ginger. You trying to work it out?
Spell it.
ING. Hey!
It could be.
Yeah!
What?
That peak over there was Inglebert.
Far from here, yeah?
Yeah, it's about 50 miles.
Alright.
Sustenance.
No, thanks. Oh wow. weather changed, yeah? Oh, suddenly it became very cold and very windy. Very, very windy, very cold. Now we off to the pub.